Yo, good morning, Daily Dose of Los fam. Y'all already know what it is, man. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we got a little bit of something for us. Today, we are working on the 4Runner. We are doing a body chop mount on the 4Runner. So, what's going on today is we are going to have to be installing these pieces. This right here, you see this? Don't see it very well. There you go. Let's see, is that better? So, what it is, I got these are the body chop mount plates. I got it from SDHQ online. Whoa, almost dropped the camera. So what it is, I'm gonna have to modify the front inner fender frame today. So what it is that because of how big my tires are in the rim, offset, and the back spacing, I guess, it's too wide. So what's happening is when I'm turning, it is hitting the frame, and if you've seen it in person, you hear it. All you hear is and that's just the tire rubbing against the frame, getting caught up on the frame. The tread is, and so we're gonna be doing the body chop mount, and essentially it should also help with running bigger tires in the future. So if I decide to go bigger, currently right now I'm running what is BF Goodrich KO2s 285 7017s with these SCS's 10s. I forgot exactly the model. 8-inch wide rim. So let me show you guys. Let me see if you guys can hear this. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. I don't know. Did you guys hear that? So that is what we are going to be getting rid of today. So we're gonna head over to my buddy Casey's house. We are gonna be doing some chopping and welding and spray painting. So I'm gonna show you guys how that process all works. Luckily Casey was nice enough to help us out with this project. So with that said, let's go ahead and head over to Casey's. Let's pick up a Starbucks and let's go ahead and make this happen, man. Let's get rid of this excess frame. Let's get rid of this warranty. Just kidding. Alright guys, let's get going here. So you know what it is, man. 3, 2, 1, cue the music. Alright y'all, we made it to Casey's. So we're going to go ahead and try to take off the wheel, and we're going to go ahead and try to get this project started. So let's see what this looks like. Alright guys, so here's the issue. Okay, let's get rid of it. Alright, so this kit here got this little template to make it easier to trim the frame. So we'll go ahead and throw that on there. And then let me show y'all this piece of the frame. Boom, this. I did go with the SDHQ body chop mount. It just looks like it was the most well engineered, well put together piece. And don't really want to not trust anybody with this, so gotta trust the best that I found. So that's where I went. I'll put a link in the description of where I got it, the website and whatnot. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Any Toyota execs that are watching this right now probably shouldn't be watching this.
Turn away.
As you guys can see, we got rid of most of it, or Casey I should say. I ain't done nothing, it's just but be here. See? Most of it's gone. And so this should allow for the rubber, and as you can see, that is what's left in my mud guard. Nothing. Inside the big hole.
This round's getting a little spicy.
Alright y'all, Casey's going to start the welding, but before we do that, take safety precautions. We've got to unplug the battery, unless we want my car to like probably have electrical fire, blow up. turn into a spaceship. I don't know. Let's figure it out though.
Alright guys, went ahead and got it painted, welded in. Casey did a really great job. Get rid of that horrible sound.
Alright y'all, got the first one done, passenger side. Now working on to the second side, which is the driver's side of course. Looking pretty good actually, man. Casey's doing a great job, dude. So gotta keep it up, man. Almost done, and then we'll test it and see if it works. I think maybe the mud guards now might be making the noise. Now we got rid of most of the frame, so I'll show you guys here a piece of what that looks like that we notched out of it. And if any Toyota execs are watching this, don't. So as you guys can see, here's the piece that we got rid of. Let's see, it's about a fingernail wide that we got rid of. That does a frame good justice. As you can see, here's where the tire was rubbing against the frame. There we go. That's where the tire was rubbing against the frame. Here's much better. There we go. See how wide it is? How much space we saved? So here's what we're replacing it with. You see it.
Hell yeah, that was easier than I thought.
All right, y'all already know, man. Got it done. Casey did a fantastic job. Let's see if it makes any more noise or not. It's probably not the best place for the camera. As y'all seen, man, it was definitely a major difference in size-wise as far as what was cut out. I wouldn't recommend this. Would I recommend it? I don't know. I think the website says off-road vehicles only, whatever. I don't know. Anyways, I hope y'all's got something from it or kind of figured out if you want to take the project on yourselves or anything, what it would do. So test real quick. Oh, looks like it's still rubbing against the plastic fender, so I'm probably just gonna have to chop that now. But nonetheless, we're gonna keep it moving. Let's just get out of here. So maybe when I get to the crib, I'll try to see if it makes any difference or not. I think it might just be the mud guard that's still rubbing, because I did put that back on. I don't know if I should have left it off or removed it. So we'll see what that looks like here, guys. But in the meantime, y'all's already know, man. Hope y'all's enjoyed the video. Again, if you like to hit that subscribe, if you like to hit that like button, for more 4Runner content, hit that subscribe button. I am trying to put more and more content together for the 4Runner, so I appreciate it. Appreciate y'all if y'all stick around this long. I think my next video for the 4Runner, we are going to be doing the Switch Pro install with the Switch Pro mount brackets. So look out for that, guys. That'll be coming here within the next day or so. I'm gonna try to get that installed. So I'm out though. Again, hit that like if y'all's liked it, hit that share. For those that are subscribed, I appreciate it. If not, and if you found this interesting and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Meantime, I gotta get home, so I'll see y'all in the next vlog. I'm out. Peace.